Hey there, have you landed here after a long editing session looking for a solution? Well, we will not only walk through your scenes but also seamlessly reveal text. CapCut is easiest to use video editor that brings your ideas to life with style. Okay, so now open the CapCut app and let's create a new project here. Go to stock video here and let's add a white background. Now here add a text that you want to reveal by walking. I am just typing here Diggy Buddy. Once you are done, you can change its style, you can change its color, increase the text to the end of the video. Once you are done, simply export the video. Okay, so now again go to new project and import the video that we want to edit, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so now here the first step is to add overlay. So simply go to overlay and add overlay. Now choose the video that we just saved. This is how it looks like, and just extend it to the end. So this step is also done. Now tap on the overlay and here you see the option blend. Click on the darken effect here and then just simply click on OK. And as you see, the background is removed. Adjust the text here as you want to reduce the size or increase the size, and place it here where the person start walking. This is good now. Now click on keyframe and here search for mask. Once you find it, tap on it and here you see the option split. Rotate it in vertical position like this. I have positioned the first word behind the person and now I want to rotate a mask to gradually reveal it as they move forward. Okay, so now I will gradually reveal one word with the mask as the person walks forward, just like the mask moves forward as the person progresses to keep the text continuously revealing. As you can see, as the person moves forward, I am moving the mask forward, which is causing the text to reveal. This is super easy. You need to keep doing it this way until your text is completely revealed. Then I will show you the end result. But before that, let me tell you that CapCut is an excellent app for editors as compared to other apps, because the other apps are not easy as it is and they don't have as many features as CapCut have. But I think CapCut allows all kind of editing and it even offers a variety of stock videos which are all available for free. Now without further ado, let's watch the video together. I am super excited to share the final results with you and hear your thoughts. In the world of video editing, CapCut is your trusted companion, making the art of editing easier and more accessible. It's your passport to transform ordinary videos into extraordinary stories. This is it for today's video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you have any question or confusion, please feel free to drop them down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.